Guys, I just got a shipment here from Graff City. I'll open it up. Oops. Cardboard. They gave me a Molotov can bag. That's pretty cool. I got empty Molotov marker and 100 mils of stealth ink. That's actually a really small bottle. I thought it would have been bigger, but oh well. In here I got 127 Molotovs. And up on the top. I got a lot of Molotovs. A Signal Black, Zinc Yellow, Dare Orange, Shock Blue Mid, Signal White. That's petrol. It's Sahara Beige Pastel, Cool Grey, Traffic Red, True Blue, and Hazelnut Brown. This one. Oh, this Signal Black is the fine tip. Molotov Graphics Silver. It's a fine liner, but paint. This is a Signal Black 127. Another one. Lagoon Blue, that's a nice colour. Kaka 077. Ultra Brown. And this is the last one. Current, Grasshopper, Mr. Green, Signal White and Signal White, and Lago Blue Pastel. In here I got a 12 pack of style files, the A set. Open this up. Oh, this is actually a pretty cool case. It comes in a box like that, and then so I got 12 of them. They gave me a free Costco on this one. I got 2 empty MTN street dabbers. And here I got some free caps, free Uni Posca, Flurry Green, Molotov 640 PP burner in black, just got some Molotov gloves, let's see if they fit. Yeah, they fit good. This is coming in 2 parts, so the other box should be here tomorrow, I'm pretty sure. So I'll have a separate video for that. In here, I got 20 on the run fine tip markers with 2 on the run train cart books, like that. Just go from them.